Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Wish you good luck and health. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this classy and beautiful necklace at home. It looks sophisticated and gorgeous, but it's a beginners friendly project. Very simple and very easy to make. It can be used as a bridal necklace also. So dear friend, from which country you watch this video, please let me know in the comment section. I'm very much excited to know. And if you love this design, then please consider one like and subscribe just to show love and support. And if you already done, then you are the boss. And I'm really grateful to you. Thank you so much. Now it's time to check the material list to make this beautiful necklace. So we need some white seed beads size 11/0, golden seed beads 11/0, golden seed beads 8/0. And I'm using here designer clasp, but you can use any kind of clasp according to your choice. Beading needle number 10 and beading thread 0.20 mm. You can use fire line or fishing line too. Now take your comfortable length of the thread. In total we need 530 to 540 cm long thread for the 16-inch necklace and leave 5 to 10 cm long thread for the tail. Now take a stopper bead and pass the needle through this. It will prevent your beadwork from slip off. Now pick up 2 golden seed beads size 11/0 and 3 white beads 11/0, 1 golden 8/0, 3 white 11/0, 1 golden 11/0, 3 white 11/0 and 1 golden 8/0 and 3 white 11/0. Now pass the needle through these top 2 golden beads 11/0. Now make sure you don't include the stopper bead. Now pick up 3 white seed beads, 2 golden and 2 white seed beads, and all are 11/0 in size. Now it's time to step down through these 3 middle beads, 1 white 11/0, 1 golden 8/0 and 1 white 11/0. And if you love this design, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more updates and more videos. Now pick up 2 white seed beads size 11/0, 1 golden 11/0, 3 white 11/0, 1 golden 8/0 and 3 white seed beads 11/0. Now it's time to step up through these top 2 golden seed beads size 11/0. And for more information, please check the description box and drop your valuable opinion in the comment section. Thank you. Now pick up 3 white seed beads, 2 golden seed beads and 2 white seed beads. All are 11/0 in size. Now step down through these 3 middle beads, 1 white, 1 golden and 1 white. Now pick up 2 white seed beads, 1 golden, 3 white size 11/0, 1 golden size 8/0 and 3 white size 11/0. Now step up through these top 2 golden seed beads 11/0. I hope you already liked this video. Your one like cost you nothing, but it's really motivate me to make more videos for you. Now pick up 3 white, 2 golden and 2 white seed beads size 11/0. Now step down through these 3 middle beads, 1 white, 1 golden and 1 white. So in this way you have to repeat and continue to grow the chain. As you can see, I just completed mine. Now you have to make it according to your size. Now pick up 3 white, 1 clasp and 3 white seed beads size 11/0. According to your convenience, you can turn off the subtitle button in your YouTube settings anytime, or you can tell me your favorite subtitle and I will put them. Now pass through these top 2 white and 2 golden seed beads size 11/0. Now you can reinforce it at this point, but I just keep the step here just to shorten my video. Now simply tie a secure knot here. You can skip the step. And if you have any queries or suggestions regarding my videos, please feel free to ask me and I would love to answer them. Now go back through all 6 white seed beads and clasp. For your convenience, I have listed the material's name in this description box and first pinned comment. Please check this out. Now step down through this way: 1 white 11-0, 1 golden 8-0 and 2 white 11-0. If you found this video helpful for you and you want to pay something as a gift, now you can donate me by clicking super thanks button in my any videos. Now pick up 7 white seed beads size 11-0. If you have time, you can check out my shorts video section also. So many easy and aesthetic jewelry making tutorials out there. Now skip the middle 1 white seed bead and take your needle under the line carefully. Place the thread in between the 2 bead, 1 white and 1 golden bead like so. I hope you hit the like and subscribe button for more updates. Now it's time to step down through these 3 white seed beads size 11-0. Now pick up 4 white seed beads and 1 golden bead 11-0. I hope you already liked this video. Your one like cost you nothing, but it's really motivate me to make more videos for you. Now skip the golden one and pass through the needle through this next white one. Then pick up 6 white seed beads size 11-0. Now take the needle under the line and carefully place the thread in between the golden and white bead like so. Now step down through these first 3 white seed beads you just added. Now pick up 4 white seed beads 11-0. Although you are watching me free in the YouTube, but please pay my fees. You can give food to the poor or feed street birds or animals and donate new clothes to the old age home or old people. This will be my fees. Thank you. Now skip the next bead and take the needle under the line and carefully place the thread in between the second bead. I hope you can see what I am doing here. Now step down through these next 3 white seed beads. So as you can see, our one unit is completed. Now I am going to make the next unit. For this we have to skip the next wave and work on the next to next wave. Now pick up 1 golden and 3 white seed beads size 11-0. Now we need to pass the needle under the line and carefully place the thread in between 2 white beads like this. Now step down through the 3 white seed beads. Now pick up 4 white seed beads. Now take the needle under the line, carefully place the thread in between the white and golden bead. Now step down through these 3 white seed beads. Now pick up 4 white seed beads and 1 golden bead. Now skip the golden one and pass through the next white one. Now pick up 6 white seed beads size 11/0. Now take the needle under the line and carefully place the thread in between the golden and white seed bead. Now step down through the next 3 white beads. Now pick up 4 white seed beads size 11/0. Now take your needle under the line and place the thread in between next 2 white seed beads. Now step down through these 3 white seed beads. Now simply repeat and continue the step to complete the necklace. As you can see, I just completed mine. Now I'm gonna finish it. Now simply step up through these 2 white, 1 golden, 3 white and 2 golden seed beads. Make sure you don't include the stopper bead. Now remove the stopper bead and tie a few secure knots here with this tail thread. Now pick up 3 white seed beads, clasp and 3 white seed beads. Now pass the needle through this top 2 white and 2 golden seed beads size 11/0. You can reinforce at this point, but I just skipped the step to short my video. Now secure the end with couple knots here. Now cut off the extra tail thread and it's done. I hope you understand the tutorial well. If yes, then please hit the like and subscribe button, and if you want to donate me, please hit the thanks button. It will motivate me to make more videos for you. I love you so much guys. See you in next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.